Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to easily get Predictor Aviator on your iOS or Android device. As you can see, I already have the app installed on my phone, and it works flawlessly. The process is quick and straightforward. If you're curious about how to get Predictor Aviator yourself, stick around and watch the entire video. I'll break down each step to help you get it up and running in no time. Let's dive in. Before we proceed, let's cover two essential checks, particularly for iOS users. Android users can skip ahead to the main installation method. First, navigate to your device settings. Head to General and tap on Background App Refresh. Ensure that either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi mobile data is selected. This ensures that the app can update and operate smoothly in the background. Next, return to the Settings menu and click on Battery. Ensure that the Low Power Mode option is unchecked. Keeping this option disabled is crucial, as it could potentially hinder the app's performance. These steps are vital to optimize your device for the installation process. Once you've completed these checks, we can proceed with installing the app. Let's get started. Now on to the final step. Open your browser and go to findplugin.com. This is a verified site offering various modded applications. Search Predictor Aviator, click on it, and you'll see a window displaying details like download count and community ratings. Hit the download button, and the system will begin downloading and installing the necessary files. It should be quick, and once it's done, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating successful installation. If not, it may require additional file downloads, but don't worry, the process is straightforward. There is a guide on the website that will show you exactly how to do it. Once everything's installed, you're good to go. As you can see, it works perfect. And there you have it. That's all it takes to get Predictor Aviator. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful and everything's working smoothly for you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks and see you in my next video.